Your wood floors will look brand new with just these 3 things. Think your wood floors need expensive polish or refinishing? Think again. With just 3 simple items you probably already have at home, you can bring back their natural beauty in minutes. The first thing you need is a soft microfiber mop or cloth. It gently removes dust and dirt without scratching the wood. Regular sweeping with a soft tool prevents tiny particles from damaging the floor's finish. The second item is warm water mixed with a few drops of pH-neutral wood floor cleaner. Avoid harsh chemicals, bleach, or vinegar because they can slowly damage the protective finish. A lightly damp mop is all you need. Never soak wooden floors with water. The third secret is a dry microfiber cloth. After cleaning, wipe the floor dry immediately. This removes any remaining moisture and helps restore a beautiful, streak-free shine while protecting the wood from water damage. For stubborn marks, gently rub the area with a damp microfiber cloth instead of using abrasive scrubbers. Taking a little extra care will keep the finish looking fresh and smooth. Remember, prevention is just as important as cleaning. Place doormats at entrances, use felt pads under furniture, and clean up spills as soon as they happen. These simple habits can add years to the life of your wood flooring. You don't need wax, expensive machines, or harsh chemicals to make your wood floors look amazing. Just these 3 simple things: a microfiber mop, a pH-neutral wood cleaner, and a dry microfiber cloth can keep your floors looking clean, shiny, and almost brand new. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy home cleaning and flooring care tips. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.